Hi guys, this is our room for today lang. Nakakainis. This is not the room I booked. Yung room namin, or yung room na binook ko is a glamping room through Agoda. Pinili sa amin na room is parang standard room lang siya. Ganyan dapat yung room namin eh.
Dami pa pala hanggang dun mo.
Yeah. Ayun no, mga glamping rooms nila. Hi.
Ay.
Hanap natin ang restaurant. Look at that, guys. They have a campfire here. Later, meron daw campfire. So, we'll try kung may time tayo later. Ganda ng room mo. Ganyan dapat eh. Ganda dito. Oh my gosh! Ganda oh. Oh, may puyo. What the f***? Ayoko na dito. What the f***, bro? Ano yan? Bubuyog or no? It's too big.
Bubuyog?
Is that a bee? Too big? Charot. Oh, I can see the beach. Oh, they have a souvenir shop. Tapos, guys, from the lobby, if you have a car, you need to park it malapit sa lobby and then yung service nyo will be the golf cart. Like this one. Now, nasa restaurant tayo. I think this is yung Angga restaurant na. We're gonna have late lunch. Rice and ano eh? Gusto ko ng sabaw. You want seafood? Gusto mo talaga nakikishare sa akin. Late lunch. What are you having?
Of course, hindi na bro ko.
Okay. This is our view. We're done with lunch. Pabalik na kami sa room. Welcome to our room. Ew. Tessa's on fire. Your defense is terrifying. Tessa's on fire. Sabi niya mag-work. Yan na yung work niya. Hi, we ordered room service. Crispy chicken burger. Paano magsigarilyo ang mga maaangas? Ganyan. Paano naman yung sigarilyo ng mga nag-drive ng sasakyan? Ganyan.
Kahit hirap na hirap eh.
Thinkin na yung bonfire. Ang konti ng tao. May free marshmallows daw eh. Try natin. Good night, lalaki. Good night, guys. Hi. Good morning. Let's have breakfast. This is what we have for breakfast. Ayun, may ano, duyan-duyan. Oh, sarap naman dito. They have 1, 2, 3 pools.
Sabi sila mga malalaki.
Rooms. Yan yung mga pang-family, I think. Yan yung unang isang pool. For kids, no? Ay, walang daan. Ano?
Basketball. Billiard.
I think it's closed. Dito daw kami dadaan.
Parang hindi
Kasi
mainit.
aesthetic.
Steady.
Ay, hindi ba? So, we transferred to this room. Room tour. Bed. Oh, the sofa bed din siya. May pull-out bed siya, oh. Nice. And this is the view from the outside. Let's go swimming. So that's our room. Bye.
No.
We are going to the pool.
Ikaw, pilit.
Food is here. Carbonara. Pepperoni pizza. Watermelon juice. Aftermath. Ano ba?
Bakit?
Fire. Birthday to you. Don, magkayak sana kami kaso nakakatamad.
Yung whole
Ang ganda talaga dito. Oh. Ay, so dapat magdi-dinner kami sa Japanese restaurant. Kaso, pupunta na kami.
kamikaze.
Bakit kami kasi? Bakit kami kasi?
Secret.
Ano kami kasi?
Basta.
Sasabihin ko pa rin, natay ako. O bakit? Ano na naman eh, normal lang naman yun. Ba't ko pa kailangan ano? Natay ako guys. Natay ako, kaya umuwi kami. Okay, so dito na lang kami magdi-dinner. One chicken pork adobo. And then, two garlic eggs. And then available ang palabok. Okay, sige. Isa ka palabok solo. Drinks mo.
Coke Zero.
Watermelon shake. Isa ka Coke Zero. Ay, mag-swimming. Like what? He found a friend. Togi, mula yesterday. Sunod ng sunod kay Bon. What's your most favorite part of this trip?
Pizza.
Yung pizza. Pagkain talaga. Ako, yung pag-vlog and yung pag-picture-picture natin. And yung campfire. Thank you for this trip.
Bye, kids.
Bye, kids. Bye-bye. Happy anniversary. Bye.